Hey guys, Schmelly here. I'd like to welcome you to Project A32. This here is a 97 SE. I think its color is rosewood. It's almost bone stock. Bought it for $600 a few years ago. Sold it to my brother for $300. He drove it for a year or two. He bought another car, and now it's back in my hands. So this one is basically just going to be a daily driver for me, and well, it needs some work, so I figured why not put it all on the YouTubes. It's a 5-speed manual. As I think I already said, it's pretty much bone stock. It's got 198,000 miles on the clock, and it needs some work. Right now the Y pipe is severed. So it's quite exhilarating. And the only thing it's got right now is a stainless steel one-piece clutch line the way installed, because the other one was just done. Anywho, so it's going to be a daily driver for me, but my main goal with the car is to still make it light and pretty quick for low cost, because that's what us Maxima owners are typically about. So right now it's got a check engine light for the throttle position sensor. Haven't quite tackled that yet. Some of the struts are blown. Definitely needs a new wheel bearing. It's got a power steering leak. Your standard oil leaks. I put some leather seats in it that I had from a parts car that I had gotten. So basically I'll be looking to, I'm thinking about gutting the rear half of the car, because I'll be driving about 80 miles a day, so more lighter, more better. I've got another dash to go in here. Let's see, the heater core is not connected for some reason. So when I replace the dash, I'll probably take that apart and see what's going on in there. I'll plan on doing an UV swap, and I've got an extra E-Manage Ultimate as well as a wideband laying around, so do an UV swap, tune it. I've got a set of eBay headers, some H&R lowering springs. What else do I have? Some energy suspension control arms, motor mounts, tie rod ends, all this suspension jazz, and then there's the dash in there, what's left of the parts car. So oh, and right now the switch on the brake pedal is busted. So I've got to fix that. Because right now, with the car off, the brake lights are on. I think that light might be out too. So we'll fire her up. Idle's a little rough. So hopefully that'll be fixed when I do the TPS. Nah, it's dark, you can't see under there. But anywho, that's that, so stay tuned for the next few videos.